There we go.
Why are California homeowners out?
Testing. Can you guys hear me? What's up? What's up, Roy's Army? There we go.
Why are California homeowners out?
There we go. Okay. What's up, Roy's Army? I am here for a short live stream, probably going to be an hour, maybe 55 minutes. I'm actually, the reason why I'm doing this live stream today is because I might be able to make my live stream tomorrow a little bit later than 5 p.m. because I'm actually working out of the office tomorrow, so I'm not going to be able to live stream at 5 p.m. And because I have a lot of comments that I need to go through for different videos. So yeah, that's exactly why. And in the meantime, we can look at your guys' coins, and obviously what I do in between videos that I make. We can look at your coins, and you just feel free to ask for whatever coins you guys want. We can hang out for about an hour and then just take it from there. So without further ado, let's get right into it because I got like about an hour. The first one is Book of Ethereum. So let's take a look at Book of Ethereum. And again, I'm going to make a video and then I'll look at the chat to see what you guys are saying, hang out, and then go back to making videos. So let's do this. Taking a look at Book of Ethereum. Clearly, my chart still stands from the last time. We did say that the next target is 33 cents, and then in terms of area support, we said between 17 and 22 cents absolutely does need to hold for a reversal and for a retest of the high, which clearly we came down to the box and we're getting some sort of bounce. Keep in mind that once 33 cents does break, at this point I feel like I do need to give you the next target up, which is around 50 cents. So as long as 33 cents breaks, meaning that it breaks over and then close over, then we're looking at 50 cents. None of this is financial advice. It is my opinion. We'll keep an eye on it and we'll keep making update videos for you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty. Oh my god, it's like kids crying outside. That's crazy. It's like whenever I start live streaming, there's kids are like everywhere. Yo! Oh my god, Pepe. Okay, so Roy's Army wants Pepe too. I'll look at that. I'll look at Yuki and Scrat. Hey, buddy, 54. Yeah. 58,000. I think there's actually, it's going to go lower than that, Bullish. Chad, thank you so much for the super chat. That's awesome. Let me know if you need me to look at any of your coins. I'll give you my opinion. I'll take a look at it. And again, thank you so much for the super chat. That is awesome. I really appreciate it. That's so nice. Thank you. All right, so... and again, Chad, let me know if you want me to look at any of your coins and I'll give you my opinion on it. So in the meantime, until you let me know, let's look at Pepe 2 for Roy's Army. It looks like we broke back down. Obviously, we broke back down, right? Yeah, this is not looking good. But we did say we have support at 60,000 if you guys remember. So just keep that in mind too. In terms of support for Pepe 2, Roy's Army, yeah, so we have no more support. Oh, hold on. Yeah, so from the low to the high, we do have support over here at around however many zeros that is 23. Actually, let's see if I have a Pepe 2.0 graph on here. Oh yeah, we do. Okay, so... taking a look at Pepe 2.0. It looks like, yeah, so it looks like we came back up, or sorry, we got rejected in the box and then now we're coming back down. And then support, I think, yeah, because this doesn't register that. This doesn't register, where does that put it at? 7018. So support is going to be around... Okay, so that's what that. So from the low over here, so the problem is that Deck Screener doesn't. This low right here is actually this and not this. So I would say bullish over. I mean, sorry, we have a shot at a bottom at 7/023. However, if that doesn't hold, then clearly this low right here is the next area of support, which is around 7/017 to 18. Okay, so that would be this area here if this area doesn't hold. So this chart is still valid, and we're gonna put 20. We're gonna save this graph. So 24 is support. So 24 is support. So this is what we're going to do. As again, 24 next area support, and until we get over the resistance, then nothing's bullish, Roy's Army. It's just boring at this point. So you're like me, and you're just holding and waiting for it to go up. And unfortunately, you have to ride this wave. So not financial advice. All right, Chad, I'm holding Milady meme coin and Dogelon Mars. Oh yeah, I'm holding Dogelon Mars too. Okay, so Milady meme coin. Taking a look at Milady meme coin. Hold on, I think it's just Milady, right? Yeah, it is just Milady. Wait, is this the right one? Let me see. No, this isn't. 7079. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, so it's this. This is the coin. Yeah, this is the coin. Okay. So, taking a look at Milady meme coin for Chad. This doesn't look too bad. This does not look too bad. From the high to the low. So yeah, so we came back down and retested this low that we registered in August. And then again, from there, we've literally tagged the 236 twice, going on 3 times now. So I can confidently say that we do have resistance in this box. So as long as it's under this box, then clearly we are in a downtrend. Once we break this box, then we can kind of say, kind of look at the next targets from there. And then in terms of support goes, I think it's a 786, right? Yeah, so like it doesn't have any more support. It does look like it's floored here, so we're just gonna put it there because it's tagged. It's quote unquote almost like we can argue that it's double bottomed if it continues up and at least gets back up over resistance. But until that happens, then it's not bullish, and clearly we're in a downtrend. So we're going to save this graph for you, and then just I'm going to save this graph, and then just next time I do my live stream, feel free to come and ask for an update. So thank you so much for that. And then Dogelon Mars, yeah. So Dogelon Mars, I'm on the same boat with you. I mean, clearly, unfortunately, we're not looking bullish at all. We came back up, tagged resistance at 6/015. We have 6/015 to 6/018 being resistance. And then in terms of the next resistance, then we are looking at the previous low at resistance. Or sorry, support. Hold on. Yeah, we are looking at the previous low at support at around. I wonder why they didn't draw the wick, but support's at 8. So look, I guess I'll do this. So with any sort of Bitcoin breakdown or Dogelon Mars sell-off, you're looking at 709, and for some reason the wick isn't drawn, but with that wick it's 708. So theoretically, if you're trying to dollar cost average down, you're looking at 708 to 709, which is crazy cheap. So not financial advice. Again, thank you so much for the super chat. Let's see. Ladies, Hippo coin blew up. I'll take a look at that. Threw $100 on Maga Pepe. Tell me my future. Gypsy. I'm not a gypsy, but I'll look at for you. Maga Pepe. Is it this one? What the heck is this? All right, let me know if this is the right one. I'm sorry if you already did this one, but can you do Shapeshift Fox? Yeah, I'll do that, Eric. Hey, Maga Pepe, bullish on parade. Let me know if this is the right coin that you're asking for. In the meantime, let's look at Fox for Eric. Hopefully it's bottom, man. We've been looking at this coin for a long time now. So, yeah. So, same targets as my video on Saturday. Nothing's bullish. Like Eric, a lot of times is that it's gonna take a lot of time, right? Like sometimes it's really boring, and unfortunately the targets never get hit. So you're just kind of on the sidelines waiting. But like if you want to mark down the targets, and again, no worries, you could always come in here and ask for an update. But just so you know, the next area of support for Shapeshift Fox is 3 cents. We talked about that in the video. And then in terms of resistance, as of right now, it is between 48, so 4 cents 80, and 6 cents 10. So this does change obviously with lower lows, but as of right now, we can get some sort of reversal and back up, and then we would need to break this area of resistance if this is the bottom. And if not, then if this support doesn't break, then clearly we're going back down to the all-time low. So again, not financial advice. I would accumulate at 3, and then I would accumulate at the previous all-time lows. And then from there, you better hope that it doesn't fall any more than that. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Taking a look at Maga Pepe. Yeah, so I don't know what you want me to look at, but what is this? Let's see. From here to here. Dang, we're looking at 50x. So what is that? $2,000 is $100,000. So what did you do? You said you threw $100 on Maga Pepe. Okay, so you threw $100 on Maga Pepe. That's 50x would be like $5,000. So okay, back up to its all-time high. Liquidity locked is 51,000 relative to market cap. It has pretty good liquidity to market cap ratio, which means that if this does gain traction and if it does go, it is pretty good. $1 million is going to be what, like 250 to 300,000 in liquidity. So again, that's not bad at all. Now, in terms of resistance, so I don't know if you want to trade that $100, trade your way up, but clearly we have, hold on. Yeah, we have resistance at the box. So given that this is the bottom, we can come back up to this box and still be bearish, meaning we can even come back up and tag the top of this channel and still be bearish, okay? We don't know how low this can go. This can absolutely rug and go to 0. So just keep that in mind too. But, you know, if this is the bottom, then we do have a shot at a bottom, and it is a 50x back up to its high. So I think, yeah, if you're gambling $100 in hopes to make $5,000, that's not bad. That's not a bad gamble, especially on a coin that, again, we look at and it has locked liquidity. The market cap is relatively low, and then clearly the audit is no issues, meaning that it's not mintable or freezable. Now, I know like some people don't even look at that, and that's so like it's so scary that people don't look at that, because if you did, then you would know that, you know, if there are red flags, then these are like, there's so many coins that you could buy if you want to really stay away from the red flagged coins. Long story short, I feel like you already know though, so I don't need to really explain it. But obviously, if you see like has blacklist, like doesn't have any anti-whale features, is mintable. So like you're telling me I could just buy a coin and then mint an extra like billion coins and then like just sell it to people and fully dilute the market. So that's crazy. Or freeze it. Like, oh, I got everybody's money, I'm just gonna freeze everyone, and then bam, just take everyone's money. Imagine. So yeah, that's not good. Shapeshift crypto can it break its all-time high if Bitcoin breaks 100K? David, we don't know that, but all we can see is like targets. So basically, once this breaks, the next target is going to be here. So you need to do what's best for you financially. If you're trading it, if you're holding long term, if you're buying now, and you got to ask yourself at what point it's good enough, right? So if Shapeshift Fox break its all-time high, that's the question I'm going to answer. Then we have the next target up to $16.14. So that would be around a 500x. So can Shapeshift Fox 500x, Shapeshift Fox 500x? Well, given that it's only, let's just say for easy math, $10 billion market cap coin, that would be $10 million market cap, that would be $5 billion market cap coin. So I think it's possible. I think it could absolutely go, maybe not that high. Maybe it stops at $10, maybe it stops at $5, but I do think it's possible. And the thing is that, like, I know people always like correlate, Bitcoin with altcoins, and although that is true, if Shapeshift Fox at one point like comes out and says that they have a partnership with Google, or like they do something huge or something like that, then it doesn't matter where Bitcoin goes. This thing's going to go absolutely flying. So the right question to ask is, if you actually invest your money in this coin, is to look at the coin and see if it has like what it's doing in the world, and to see like, okay, so this has to do with payments. Okay, so like what big companies are out there? Okay, like PayPal. So do I think that maybe, Shapeshift Fox can partner with PayPal? Those are the questions that you want to ask in terms of like, will it hit all-time high? Will it reach all-time high and stuff like that? In terms of this goes, this is all just technical analysis, meaning that you're buying right now, and you know that if you buy right now, the next resistance is 4 cents 70 and 6 cents, and then once that breaks, we have 16 cents. Or if it goes down, and if you want to buy more, 3 cents is a good next area to buy, because that's support. So that's what we talk about here. I know it's a lot of information, and I hope that made sense, but yeah, so like in theory, any coin can, right? In theory, any coin can go up. Like you have meme coins that broke all-time highs before Bitcoin even had its run. So you have coins that are outperforming him too. So anyway, let's see. Let's look at the chat. That would be crazy if it did break all-time high. Yeah, because if it does, we have next target at $16. Imagine that. That's crazy. From 3 cents to $16. That's crazy. Shapeshift crypto could make you rich. It's such a small market cap. It is, but that's not the only thing that matters, right? You need volume, partnerships, and other stuff. Why did Shapeshift dollar? Well, it was here because of the market cap too. They didn't release any coins. So clearly you can see that the price over here was $1, but the market cap was 34 million, right? So relative to where the price was here, let's just say 32 million, which is exactly matching here, the price was already diluted down to around 11 cents. So that's why. So coins come out, they come out at higher prices, and then they dilute. So the thing also you got to take into consideration is that, yeah, it's a $12 million market cap, but there's still a billion tokens, and they're not fully diluted. So they're only about 37% diluted, which means that if you shift this on market cap, you can get a market cap spike, and then you can get a sell-off, and the price is actually going to be a lot less, because now the value of everybody's coins are a lot less. So you got to take that into consideration too when you're investing in the crypto market. So like Bencoin, I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm gonna do a video now. Super rare, and then I'll check chat again. Taking a look at super rare on the live stream for Giovanno, subscriber. So we can see that on the long term and on the macro time frame, nothing's bullish until we break over and stay over 15 cents. In terms of short term goes, we did find, oh no, we don't have any more support until 8 cents. I would say that 8 cents is the last line of defense for super rare, given that it would make a higher low and we would still maintain an uptrend in structure. However, at any point if it gets under around 8 cents, then we are going to go back down to the low. Now in terms of areas of resistance go, if super rare does break out from here and bottom here, then we are looking at resistance between 13 and 16, 17 cents. If we don't get over this, then we are going to go back down to these lows, and same thing here, where if we come back down and we don't hold, then this area of support is going to get tagged. However, we could come back up, get rejected, and then accumulate, and then break out. So that's also possible too. These are my updated targets for super rare, not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty. Wojak. I'm going to do Wojak and then I'm going to check the chat. Okay, nice. Taking a look at Wojak on the live stream for Ryan P3Z. So clearly we have a graph already drawn for Wojak. As of right now, we did have resistance at 1 cent. 201. Clearly we came up and we got rejected. As long as we stay over this box though, we are going to make higher lows and we would be continuing up. Again, once 201 does break and hold, the next area of resistance is 13, 19, and then all-time highs will put you at 2049, which as of today is going to be around a 4x. However, yeah, I mean, so far so good. From the last time I made a video, we're literally following the macro support and resistance for turbo. So if you got it into a trade and you sold it at 201, congratulations. So none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, let's check the chat. Hey, what's up, Deejberry? No, wow. I mean, late night streams aren't that good, huh? I think we have like 5 people in the chat, right? Not that many. It's fine though. I gotta make my videos anyway. What's up, Deejberry? I'm just making videos, and then I'm updating videos for my subscribers. So in my video, or sorry, when I post videos, people always ask for like, oh, can you look at this coin, or hey, can you give us an update? So then I'm gonna live stream, and I make those videos on the live stream. That way, in the meantime, if you guys want me to look at your coins too, I can throw that in there too. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Welcome to the live stream. All right, let's take a look at used car. A gently used car. Okay, so let's see. Taking a look at a gently used 2001 Honda Civic, clearly our targets are holding. So I need to redraw this because as of right now, we are over 1 cent 40, which we said the next area once that breaks is 2 cents 30. So we are broken over that, and we're holding over that area. And in terms of support go, clearly you can see we came back and tagged the top of the channel of this support, and then we got a bounce. So as of right now, I'm going to redraw the targets and say that as long as it stays over this box, then we are mega bullish. So it needs to stay over 1 cent to 13, so 1 cent 30, and then I could say that the next target is 23. And yeah, that's pretty much basically it for a used car. Congratulations to everybody that got in. You are up 400% on your investment, so that's awesome. Congratulations. And yeah, I will keep you guys updated, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. None of this is financial advice. Again, 1014 to 1 cent 37 needs to hold, and then 2 cents 32 is going to be the next target. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, let's see. Let's check chats. Oh, no one's in chat. Okay, keep going. Crow with knife. Oh, this is a good one, man. I mean, this one and Dogs of Elon. I gotta make an update on Dogs of Elon. Alright, so taking a look at Crow with Knife on the live stream. So we have 7 zeros 26 that still support, and then we have resistance at 7 zeros 37 to 7 zeros 49. As long as it's under here, it is bearish, but as long as we're holding over 7 zeros 26, then we have a shot at the bottom. We're probably going to accumulate and retest this area of resistance. And that's pretty much it. Nothing really new with Crow with Knife, but I do see a lot of comments in Crow with Knife on my comment section. So I am making an update video for you. So none of this is financial advice. So far, so good. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hold on. Angel, here. wants the door open. My cat wants the door open. Alright, let's check chat and then we'll do Polyswarm. That's been doing pretty good. Alrighty, so taking a look at Polyswarm, NCT. Alright, taking a look at Polyswarm NCT. Congratulations to the holders. You guys are making money. You guys are in the green. So congratulations. This bounce right here was around 95%. So you put in $1,000. Congratulations on your $1,950. So from the high to the low, clearly it looks like we are over the 382 at around 2 cents 10. So at this point, this is macro bullish at this point. However, we do need to hold this area of support, which does coincide with the macro 382. So this box absolutely does need to hold for a continuation up. If we don't hold this area of support around 2 cents 22, then we are going to go back down and form some sort of falling wedge. But as long as we are over this, then the next target is going to be this previous high. And once that breaks on the macro time frame, it's time to look at it on the macro time frame. The 0.5 is next, and I would say again little to no resistance to 4 cents 80, 8 cents 70, 18 cents, and then from there you're looking at up to $1.50. Obviously we'll keep charting it and we'll take it day by day. None of this is financial advice, it is my opinion, but again, next target I put NCT at right now is 4 cents 88. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Dang, congratulations that those who bought Polyswarm. I gotta do spell token. That's what I gotta do. Alrighty. Spell. Taking a look at spell token for subscribers and for Jay. Crypto has been pathetic last 6 months. Yes, it is extremely frustrating, but as long as you stay focused and just remember that we are like 90% of the time we're going down, and then you really only have like a couple of weeks to get out, you should be fine. And then as long as your dollar cost averaging down at the right timing, then you should theoretically also be fine. Meaning that you should really be only focused on buying when the RSI is in the red and areas of support. This isn't financial advice, but again, like my opinion is that the next time I would buy, given that I already have Shapeshift Fox, is going to be closer to this area of support, which is the bottom. So my hopes is that we're going to get this move up, bottom here, worst case scenario goes down here, and we double bottom, consolidate, and then we move up. And the best case scenario is we break resistance, which is at 309 on the macro time frame, and then on the short-term time frame, you're looking at resistance between 3056 and 3070. So again, right now it's not looking good. Unfortunately, you picked a coin, or anybody that invested in Shapeshift, anyone that invested in spell token right now is like feeling the heat because we're so close to the all-time low, and these moves down are like huge. That's like a 30% capitulation, so it's definitely not a joke. But again, high risk, high reward. It is a 50x back up to its all-time high, so more than a 50x. So this is high risk, high reward, and again, I hope it goes up for all the spell token holders too. So, but we'll just have to keep monitoring it and take it day by day. Again, clearly we've gotten stuck at resistance twice, but at least now we're consolidating, and technically we are making a higher low. So none of this is financial advice. It is still my opinion, and I'll always keep you updated, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, that concludes all of the that concludes all of the comments. So that's good. Let's check the chat, see who's here. All right, Bitcoin approaching the golden cross, question mark. Get back to work, Moon Boy. Yeah, I should get back to work, huh? I should be working right now. All right, let's look at Bitcoin. And I'm going to check others for you because I know you're going to ask for that. I think. Yeah. So let's look at the RSI for Bitcoin, the stock RSI. Yeah, so stock RSI moving average, we're below it, which isn't that good. Remember, yeah, this isn't looking good at all. Unfortunately, remember that we are literally sitting on, no, we lost support at 60,800. So that's not good. And on the macro time frame, yeah, we're probably going to come back down to the 786, huh? Yeah, so we've been making literally lower lows across the board. So I don't mean to be a complete bear, but it looks like the next lower low. And technically the 0.5 held, so worst case scenario, we got a capitulation and a double bottom here. But if 53,000 doesn't hold, the next area of support is going to be around 44 to 49,000, whichever holds. And technically you'd be making a lower low. So that's not good. That's not good at all. But again, not financial advice. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. Unfortunately, that's also looking good. But yeah, we are getting a drop in the Bitcoin dominance. However, alt season clearly hasn't started yet. We are making higher lows and higher highs across the board, actually. So that's also bearish. That means that alt season isn't even close to being started until we get some sort of consolidation and a breakdown. We don't want to see it go up. We want to see it consolidate and then break down. So taking a look at others. Yeah, clearly we're on life support for altcoins. Altcoins, if this breaks down, then we are going to validate this downtrend that we're in, which is not good at all. Yeah, this is not good at all. So, yeah, and then in terms of areas that it absolutely needs to hold clearly are going to be, yeah, this line would be the last line of defense. If for whatever reason this line doesn't hold and we get a big Bitcoin breakdown, this thing's going to go absolutely down. And a lot of the gains that the altcoins got it's just going to give it, we're going to give it right back, and it's not, and alt season is going to be delayed. So hopefully at that point we're going to, our best bet is consolidate followed by move up, right? So we go down, consolidate, and then move up, right? So we're looking for something like this, but here, right? Everywhere. But like, again, if we keep making lower lows, then it's not bullish at all. So not financial advice. I see some other YouTubers talking about OXT, pump your bags. Yeah, yeah, man, I need my money back. I want my money back. Give me my money back. Dude, that's crazy. So I lost so much money in OXT. This is not good. I remember I told my boss, like, I told my boss about it. I told my boss about it when it actually came out here. And I remember I was like, oh man, like, he's gonna fire me. Like, because he was like, oh, that's a good, like, I gave him, like, you know, not like I talked to him a lot, but I was like, hey, like, you know, it's a good coin, this is why, blah, blah, blah. And I remember he was like, oh, that's a good coin, I might pick up a bag or whatever. And now it's here. And it dropped, like, here. It dropped to, like, 14 cents, whatever, 15 cents, 10 cents. I was like, ooh, that's probably a bad call. But it actually did go up to, like, $1, but I don't know, like, I was trying to play it safe, but unfortunately I didn't, and I absolutely got destroyed. Clearly this chart shows what happened with my money, is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, yeah, so we are doomed. Well, it just depends. It just depends on if Bitcoin breaks out from here or not. This isn't looking bullish at all. 60,000 is not support. Support's 54,000, support's 58,000, so we're not looking good at all. So Nick, thanks, bro. I stopped asking for others because I checked my phone for the levels you gave me last time. Oh yeah, you can still ask for it. I can still watch it. I can still look at it for you. PNG, let's see what PNG is doing actually. 23 cents. Yeah, PNG. What is it? We have support, or sorry, we have resistance 23 to 29 cents, right? No, 22 to 29 cents. Yeah, so PNG is not doing anything. It's just consolidating, which is actually a good thing. Yeah, so we have resistance. It's been in resistance 23 to 30 cents. And then support is going to be what, like 18 cents? Is it still 18 cents? Yeah, 18 cents. So for PNG, again, as long as it stays in this level, we should be fine. But if it falls down, just keep in mind that we do have support at 17. And if 17 does hold, technically you are going to be making a higher low with this wick. So we do have a shot at the bottom. But if that doesn't hold, then we are going to go back down, which is very bearish. But I don't think that's going to happen. So, but it doesn't matter what I think. So just keep in mind that this is in play right now. No financial advice. How high can be? I don't know. I think that I mean, how much more do you want, right? Like from the low to the high, it's already up 12x and it went up 50x. So I don't know when you bought, but you're never supposed to buy the green. So not financial advice, but you're never supposed to buy when it's pumped up this high. You really want to buy it when it's like going down and when the RSI is in the red, right? So again, not financial advice. Neva, yeah, I'll take a look at that for you, Shadow Frost. We're all holding crumbs at the bottom of the seat. Yeah, basically. We're all little squirrels in somebody else's world. That's what's happening. Taking a look at Neva. Oh, I think I made. Oh, what the heck is this, bro? What is this? Is this the right one? Shadow. Oh wait, it is. It has to be the right one because I made a. I already have targets here. Oh, so wait, was that the bottom? Let me see. High to the low. No, it wasn't the bottom. Last time I did it, this was the bottom. And then I said this was resistance. But I guarantee you, look, pulling the fib down now, we actually came back down. So you should have probably asked me earlier to make you an update on this. So now we have to update our targets. So from the high to the low, we have resistance here, which is 203 to 205. And clearly you can see we actually came up and tagged it, and we got rejected. So, I mean, if this isn't the bottom, then then it doesn't have a floor, and you're gonna get like a capitulation down, kind of like this area and this area and this area. So, that's really pretty much it. Again, 132K, 49K, good market cap to liquidity ratio, and a price all the way back up to its high. It's around 20x. So it's not a bad play. It is a gamble coin. So it is a gamble coin. So just keep that in mind. I think that's it. Hold on, give me one sec. Let me see if I did every single video. I think I'm gonna call it soon. Let me see. Any more comments? Yeah, I did Book of Ethereum. I did all that. Okay. What's up, Bingo Bango? What is up? Yeah, so that's welcome to the end of the live stream. It was kind of a short one. Bingo Bango, if you want me to look at a coin, let me know. I'm going to, after you, I'm going to end the live stream. I'm going to edit some videos, and then post the videos that I made on the live stream. So that's going to take some time to do. So, all right, I'll look at Helium Mobile, and then Bingo Bango, let me know what you want me to look at. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, it actually broke down. Damn. So 201 didn't hold. Wow, I need to make an update video on this actually. Dang. That's horrible. Okay. Yeah, we didn't hold the bottom. That's not good. I just wish I had a bigger graph. Yeah, does this show me everything? No, it doesn't even show me everything. Yeah, so, okay, I'm gonna make a video. Taking a look at Helium Mobile on the live stream. Unfortunately, it didn't hold the bottom. It didn't hold the low. And we are getting a bigger capitulation down. Unfortunately, the next area of support for Helium Mobile is going to land you around 306, which as of today is going to be a big around 32% capitulation. However, given that this is the bottom, again, we don't know if this is the bottom because it's just been falling this entire time. We do have resistance at around 2014. So given that we come back up, we can come up and tag this and still be bearish, and we'd be maintaining this downtrend that we're in. So not financial advice. These are my two targets right now for Helium. It would be 2014 again, and on the downsides, 306 is the next area of support. Not financial advice, just my opinion. We're always bearish, like Vision says. Yeah, I know. He says like we're gonna go up though. I'm always saying like we're gonna go down. Like if we go down, right? I don't know when we're gonna go up. I don't know when we're gonna go down. But all I know is that these are the next areas of support and these are the next areas of resistance. So all I know is that we have support, which is, yeah, I mean, it's over. This is 60,700 failed as support. I guess technically if you take this wick, then we have support at 59. But so like on the downside, I'd say 59. On the upside, we have resistance at the previous high. And then next target puts you around 80,000. And then support is going to be, yeah, this previous wick at around 49,000. So I mean, it could be 53,000. Yeah, so this is where I'm getting my numbers. So I know it changed a little bit, and it's because last time I didn't use this wick. This time I did. So again, on the downside, 59,000 is next area of support, and 53,000 is the next area of support, and then on the upside, 73,000 is next if we reverse. So let's see. Just scoped out a small bagger Casper. If you don't mind checking it out, yeah, let's look at Casper. Oh, my friend was super bullish in Casper Networks, but they got hacked, and I think that's what like let the. I used to make videos on this. You can actually look up my channel and search in Casper, and then you'll see the videos. Yeah, it's just I don't know how, like, you know, RSI is going up, but the price is barely moving. Okay, so Casper is not bullish at all until we break around 2 cents 10. Keep in mind, we don't have any more areas of support for Casper. And clearly you can see that we smacked against this area of support. So if this 1 cent 10 doesn't hold, which we've been holding since September actually, then the next area of support for Casper I mean, yeah, I would have to do it like this because this is the only price target I have. It would be around a bigger capitulation down to 2038. So again, that's really big, but keep in mind that if we do reverse from here, we do have resistance at around 230 to 3 cents 50. So we can come back up and tag this and still be bearish, but that is a good sign. At least we'll hopefully come back down for a double bottom if we do go back down that low. And yeah, that's what I think about Casper. So no financial advice. Late to the live stream, yeah. Yeah, it's I wasn't supposed to do one today, but I did one anyway. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm basically done. It's the end of the live stream. Maybe we should send Vision away. We were doing better in September. No, I feel like literally. I feel like it's just super bearish. Like my coins are getting, everyone's coins are getting wrecked. Like it's very bearish, and clearly we can see what's happening. We're literally making like lower lows and lower highs. Like it's just, this is very, very, very bearish. So we're just like literally like it's just chopping up the it's chopping up the altcoin market, so that's not good at all. But anyway, it is what it is. So I think that's it. I think that's everyone's coins. None of this is financial advice. I have to actually edit some videos. So I'm going to cut the live stream. Thank you for everyone that stopped by. Thank you so much for the super chat. Chad, I really appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. And thank you so much and have a great night.